In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your Facebook post to share so other people will be able to share it. Now, there are two things that I would suggest doing, and I'm going to cover them right now. So once you're on Facebook, you want to go to your profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner. And then once you do that, it will take you here to this window. Now, what we're trying to do here is we're going to go to settings and privacy, click on that, and then click on settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down, and you're looking here for profile and tagging. So it's going to be under audience and visibility. Click on that. That will open up this window. Now you need to turn on here, allow others to share your posts to their story. This is going to allow people to share your posts to their story and also on their profile and their timeline as well. So make sure this is turned on. After you've done that, go back to your profile. So click on your profile icon here at the bottom. Now you want to scroll down to the post you want to be able to set to share and click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then click edit privacy, and if this is on anything other than public, then I believe it won't be shareable. So if I change it to only me, you can see the share button's gone. So make sure that you change it to public. Once you've done that, the share button will appear just like so. So I hope that quick video did help you out.